Hi guys, welcome to Trading Factory. How have you guys been all throughout the week? Did you guys make any profit? Did you trade on what we analyzed on? Did you trade on what we predicted on? If yes, then you surely must have made some profit, isn't it? Quickly, let's just recap on what we predicted last week for Bank Nifty so that you have an idea where we should have and we could have placed our trades and how we would have ended up on the profit side if we would have followed what we predicted. So we had said that Bank Nifty is going to test at least 33,700, right? That was a number, the magic number. Did it go there? Yes, it went. It went like crazy. There were many factors which were associated with it. Bond yield rise, then there was rising cases of coronavirus. There was federal rate interest decisions to be announced. Bank of England and Bank of Japan's rate interest decisions to be announced. Whatever the factors may have been, Bank Nifty did test 33,700. Yes, it did. That's what matters, right? So we said this is where we expect the cells to be placed, and the exit point would be 33,600. Every drop had a pullback, and every pullback had a drop breaking the previous low. That is exactly what we had advised everyone to do. It is not going to break 36,200. It did not. It came back down from every high. So it was sell on rise. So what now? I mean, the entire week has passed. Bank Nifty has tested 33,700. What now? Well, the week ahead is again very crucial. There are a couple of things that we have to keep in mind when it comes to any news activity that is going on. Increasing cases of corona in India and Europe, Germany, Italy, and France, and other few European countries going into lockdown in smaller regions within their country. India also going down into lockdown in several states and several regions of several states, Maharashtra, or maybe a few regions in Delhi, Madhya Pradesh. So, corona cases are rising. That is one thing that one has to be really careful for. And there is a monthly expiry of options in stocks in index, Bank Nifty and Nifty both. That is going to take place on this Thursday. So that is going to be a major factor. So we are due to see again a lot of volatility this week as well. So this month itself is going to be full of volatile activity in the trading market. So we again, you know, do not see Bank Nifty crossing above this trend line. So there is a pullback that had happened on Friday, coincided with the positive news of releasing more number of vaccines for the general public in India. That was one. Then market eventually had to stop going down at some point. So it took some support from 33,700, bounced up. So again, the first level of resistance is 34,400 for Bank Nifty. If it is able to sustain in 1 hour, that is, at the closure of a 1 hour candle, if the price is above this 34,400, it is sure to test 35,000 or 35,050 around number. So this region and this region is our high for this week. It should not cross above this. So 35,500 is the max that we expect Bank Nifty to go. So closing above this resistance zone is the key for Bank Nifty, which we do not expect to happen this week. So Bank Nifty is going to take this bullish momentum, fizzle out somewhere around this region. So this is the region where we have to be really careful for. So once Bank Nifty reaches 35,500, that is somewhere around here, which seems again very unlikely. I would rather place my sell somewhere around 35,050 and wait for Bank Nifty to come down from 35,500, because what if in case it comes down from here itself? We never know, right? So based on the price action, we do not expect Bank Nifty to go above 35,500. Target for the sell side again 33,700. It is very difficult to break 33,700, but even if it breaks, the maximum that we can see is 32,700. So Bank Nifty is not going below 32,700 for the foreseeable future. So this is a very, very strong buy zone. So guys, what we would advise you is wait for a sell around this region to book some profit of 1000 2500 points in futures, or you can take an option entry, and for any intraday trade you can take a buy in this region or a sell in this region. So buy advised here, sell advised here. For long term positions in next month contracts, we can take a buy from these positions. Bank Nifty is going to take up or take a bull move from here. So our resistance points are 35,050, 35,500, and our support points 33,700, 32,700. So anywhere around 33,700, this region, any buy in next month's contract, whether it is option or whether it is future, is going to be useful. And any sell in this contract, whether it is option or whether it is futures, is going to be useful. So for a sell side, target would be 34,000 and below. For buy side, target will be 35,000 and above. So that is what we expect the entire week's movement to be going up. Maybe, again coming down and going up. So this range has to be covered in this week. So if it goes up first, it has to come down. If it goes down first, it has to go up. And what if it opens here? Then if it crosses this, this is the next resistance. If it crosses this, this is the next resistance. And from any of the resistance, if it comes down, it might come down very heavily again because of the volatility and the news factors lurking around. So we expect again Bank Nifty to test 34,000 and below. So that's what we can expect again for the Bank Nifty's prices to reach the levels in the coming week. And we'll keep you updated every day. So the follow up to this video will happen tomorrow night. So stay tuned, guys. Keep watching out on our space for Bank Nifty updates. Every day we are going to back it up with what happened on our previous analysis and what is going to happen on the next day. Okay, so stay safe, trade safe, and make a lot of money, guys.